Hey guys, welcome to Modern Reviews. Today we have the Wolfbox X5. This is a 3-channel dash cam. So what that means is that you have a 4K camera pointing out the front of the vehicle, you have a 2.5K camera pointing out the rear, and then you have a 1080p camera pointing inside the vehicle. So here you can see this is what the unit looks like. You do have a touchscreen on there, and the touchscreen is pretty dang nice. And then you have an actual movable lens on the front of the main camera that looks out into the road. So this is a pretty expensive dash cam, but the question is going to be, does the picture quality make up for it? And that's what we're going to test in this video. We're going to look at the dim driving conditions, the bright driving conditions, and then we're also going to take a look at the indoor cam of the vehicle. And we are not going to look at the rear cam because honestly all of those look about the same between all of these dash cam models. So this one is a USB-C cable to power. USB-C cable plugs into your cigarette lighter, and that is how you power the device. Now the interesting one about this is that the rear camera right here takes a USB-C instead of the standard kind of aux cord that a lot of these dash cameras will take. So that is interesting. And then it comes with your standard pry bar to pry back kind of the lining around the doors to tuck that dash cam camera in there, and then 2 extra sticky pieces to remount this if you don't mount it good the first time or you need to mount it again for some reason. Now this does come with a micro SD card, and this is 128 gigabytes, so pretty good. You're going to get a lot of storage on that card. Now this obviously has a iPhone app, but in this video I'm just going to highlight the actual camera performance. It works just fine without the app. You just have everything recording to the micro SD, and if you ever get in a wreck or anything, then you can just plug that micro SD into your computer and you'll have all your videos, and that's exactly what I did in these clips. So here you can see I've got everything kind of wired into my cigarette lighter, and we are ready to do a test. So this is a test kind of middle of the day on a sunny day. You do see a little bit of reflections in the bottom. That's just from my windshield. But in the bottom left, you have a nice clean information area that's going to give you your actual location in terms of its coordinates, your miles per hour, the time, and the date. So all that is super useful information that's actually embedded into the video. And you can see as far as the camera quality, overall pretty dang crisp. It's not the clearest 4K I've ever seen, but it is very crisp video. So I'm going to let this play for a little bit, drive around some random streets and let you guys kind of take in your thoughts on it, and then we'll take a look at the indoor passenger cam, and then from there we will go to a nighttime drive and then a nighttime indoor passenger cam. So I'll leave you there. If you guys are interested in this camera, I will have a link down below. If you are going to buy it, I would be super grateful if you could use that link. It helps out the channel and helps me do more of these reviews. So see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.